Welcome to Discover Top 5, where we bring you the world's most exciting and fascinating destinations, cultures, and experiences. Whether you're planning your next adventure, looking for inspiration, or simply curious about the best places around the globe, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we explore everything from hidden gems and thrilling escapes to fascinating lifestyles and opportunities that can change your life. From the most beautiful beaches to the most unique and diverse cultures, we break down everything you need to know about the top 5 most amazing things the world has to offer. If you've ever dreamed of a life beyond borders, a new adventure, or just curious about what's out there waiting for you, Discover Top 5 has got you covered. Our goal is to open your eyes to the endless possibilities that exist and help you see the world in a whole new light. So, if you love discovering new places, learning about new cultures, and seeking out opportunities that can take your life to the next level, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of the excitement. Now, get ready to explore, because today, we're diving into an incredible list of destinations that are redefining what it means to be a global citizen, offering new ways of living, traveling, and thriving. Whether you're dreaming of a tropical paradise or a vibrant city full of history, we've got something extraordinary in store for you. Stay tuned as we take you on an unforgettable journey with our top 5 picks for places where Black travelers can find welcoming communities, amazing lifestyles, and incredible opportunities. Ready to be inspired? Let's get started.
The Seychelles Archipelago, consisting of 115 islands, is a tropical paradise nestled in the western Indian Ocean, northeast of Madagascar. Not just known for its stunning beaches, Seychelles also offers some of the most welcoming immigration policies for visitors, including Black expats. With a visa-free policy, no visa is required to enter the country, making it easier than ever to visit and explore. Seychelles enjoys a year-round tropical climate, with temperatures around the mid-80s SF during the day, providing a perfect backdrop for sunbathing, hiking in lush gardens, and enjoying crystal-clear lagoons. As of 2025, the country has a population of around 106,100, blending African, European, and Asian cultures into a vibrant community. To become a resident, you need either a family connection or a special contribution to Seychelles' economic, social, or cultural life. The capital, Victoria, located on the island of Ma, is a bustling hub home to about a third of the country's population. Known for its picturesque scenery and laid-back lifestyle, Seychelles boasts Africa's highest GDP per capita, making it a solid economic choice for expatriates. Namibia, known for its awe-inspiring landscapes like the towering dunes of the Namib Desert and the wildlife-rich Etosha National Park, also offers an easy residency path. The country requires no visa for entry, making it one of the easiest African destinations for expats. Its capital, Windhoek, combines modern amenities with a tranquil atmosphere, and with a population of just 2.5 million, Namibia offers plenty of space and peace. The government has created an environment conducive to foreign investment, offering residency options based on investment, starting a business, or even retiring. Whether it's experiencing vibrant art scenes, wildlife safaris, or Namibia's rich history, this country has something for everyone. The unique wildlife, like desert-adapted species and elephants, adds to the allure. Belize, with its laid-back Caribbean vibe, is a perfect place for Black expats. Its residency process is straightforward. After living there for a year, you can apply for permanent residency, provided you don't leave the country for more than 14 days during that time and can prove financial stability. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing against the shore, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant wildlife. Belize is a cultural melting pot, influenced by the Maya, Garifuna, Creole, and Mestizo communities, which is reflected in its music, festivals, and food. The affordable cost of living is another draw. The government offers various incentives for retirees, including tax exemptions on foreign income, making it a welcoming place to retire or start a new chapter.
Ecuador, located on the west coast of South America, boasts incredible landscapes from the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains and the Galapagos Islands. Its open-door policy makes it one of the easiest countries to call home. With no visa requirements and the possibility of obtaining free residency, Ecuador offers a hassle-free transition for newcomers. After 3 years of temporary residency, you can apply for permanent status if you have a foreign source income of at least 3 times the minimum wage per month. The capital, Quito, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with colonial charm, while cities like Cuenca and Loja offer a slower pace of life. Culturally, Ecuador is rich, blending indigenous traditions with Afro-Ecuadorian influences, making it a vibrant place to live. The cost of living is low, allowing expats to live comfortably on a budget. Whether you're looking to retire or start a new life, Ecuador's economic advantages, coupled with its friendly locals, make it a top choice. Tanzania, a gem of East Africa, is known for its majestic landscapes, including the Serengeti and Mount Kilimanjaro. The country has a history steeped in Pan-Africanism and solidarity dating back to the 1960s and 1970s. It remains a welcoming place for Black expats seeking to connect with African history and culture. Tanzania's biodiversity is breathtaking, with about a quarter of its land dedicated to national parks and reserves, including UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Culturally, Tanzania is diverse, home to over 120 ethnic groups, including the iconic Maasai and Makonde people, each contributing to the country's dynamic music, dance, and arts scene. Residency options include investment and business permits with an online application process for e-visas, making it easier than ever to visit. With its rich history, welcoming community, and natural beauty, Tanzania is a must-visit for those seeking a meaningful experience in Africa. Portugal, with its stunning coastline, delectable cuisine, and rich history, is becoming an increasingly popular destination for expats. The country's Golden Visa program allows non-EU citizens to obtain residency by investing in real estate or creating jobs, bypassing the bureaucratic hurdles often associated with immigration. Portugal's Mediterranean climate, historic cities like Lisbon, and charming riverside town Porto provide the perfect backdrop for a relaxed lifestyle. The country is known for its affordable cost of living, making it an attractive choice for those seeking both comfort and adventure. Its expat-friendly community and high-quality healthcare system make the transition easier for newcomers, and English is widely spoken, particularly in tourist areas. Dominica, often called the Nature Island, offers more than just beautiful beaches and lush rainforests. With a straightforward path to permanent residency through a 5-year renewable temporary residency permit, Dominica is a top destination for those looking for simplicity. For investors, the Citizenship by Investment program provides a fast track to a second passport in just 6 to 9 months with an investment of at least $100,000. Dominica is known for its natural beauty, from dense rainforests and hiking trails to crystal-clear waters for diving. The local culture, influenced by African, Carib, and European heritage, is vibrant and welcoming. The island also boasts eco-friendly initiatives promoting sustainable tourism and conservation efforts. Whether you're exploring the capital, Roseau, or relaxing in a small village, Dominica provides a sense of community and a peaceful lifestyle. Malaysia is a blend of modernity and tradition, making it an attractive destination for Black expats seeking easy residency. Malaysia's My Second Home program allows foreigners to live long-term in the country without the hassle of complicated visa processes. The country is affordable with a rich culture, diverse society, and a high standard of living. From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the serene beaches of Langkawi, Malaysia offers something for everyone. The multicultural society is welcoming, and the locals are known for their warmth and hospitality. However, expats should be aware of occasional racial profiling, though many Black Americans have found the country to be a rewarding place to live. Georgia, a country at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, offers Black Americans a visa-free entry and a smooth path to residency. The country's temporary residency permits are easy to obtain, with an option for long-term stays based on property ownership. Georgia is known for its stunning landscapes, from snow-capped mountains to lush vineyards, as well as its rich cultural heritage. Tbilisi, the capital, is an ancient city where history and modernity collide. Georgian hospitality is legendary, and locals treat newcomers like family. The country's simple residency process and welcoming nature make Georgia an appealing destination for those seeking a new adventure in a culturally rich environment. Albania, a small Balkan nation, has become an attractive destination for Black Americans seeking instant residency and a visa-free stay for up to a year. The country offers a liberal foreign investment regime with business incentives like a flat corporate tax rate of 15%. Albania is a growing hub for entrepreneurs, making it ideal for those looking to make their mark. The country's landscapes, from Adriatic beaches to rugged mountains, provide plenty of opportunities for exploration. Albania's ongoing efforts to improve its economy and its potential EU membership make it a country to watch.
And that's a wrap on today's journey. We hope you've enjoyed discovering these incredible destinations and exciting opportunities just waiting to be explored. From vibrant cultures to breathtaking landscapes, the world is full of possibilities and we're just getting started. If you found today's video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers, dreamers, and adventurers. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best of what the world has to offer. But wait, the adventure doesn't stop here. Discover Top 5 is all about exploring new places, new experiences, and new ways of life. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll always be in the loop when we release new videos packed with more amazing content that's sure to spark your wanderlust and curiosity. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which of these destinations caught your eye or if there's a place you'd like us to cover next. Your thoughts, ideas, and feedback help us make the content even better and more tailored to your interests. Remember, the world is big and there's so much to discover. Whether you're looking for a life-changing adventure, a peaceful getaway, or a place to call home, we've got you covered every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep discovering. You've been watching Discover Top 5. See you in the next video.